Now everything's set. If case 1 it will go into this, case 2 it will go into this, case 3 it will go. If no, it doesn't satisfy any of the first 3 cases, the default will be this. So I validate it. Now I want it to run and see if it works or not. Execute. The beauty of it is, see, I have created the jobs very quick because I have the templating option, the template table option. Without the template table option, you'll go keep typing every small thing in the database and you'll make a syntactical error. You can't determine what you want, which columns you want it to look at. All these complexities can be avoided really simple. So data services makes your life easy. If you want to become an ETLer, work on my tool, data services. It's very easy. So what is it saying? Don't apply. Okay. I was not an ETLer, guys. I don't know if I told you or not. I was a BOE person who used to do report development and universe design. I later transformed and stayed back here because I have long-term opportunities and the work is a bit different than what I used to do. So I learned this, and you see here the region 1 is everything into region 1 table. Case 2, I wanted to see all the region 2 came here, and let us directly look into the default, which was my customer dim. This was my default. Was this my default? I don't think. Let me go back and see in the job. Oh, the job actually failed. Validation failed. Okay. There is a syntactical error. Ha. Check the manual that corresponds to MySQL and syntax error. We can fix it. No big worries. But I will fix it and send it to you instead of making you to wait here. But I don't see any errors here. Due to some reason, it doesn't want. It could be this problem. Customer validation. So my point is not this one actually. I wanted to see in the customer dim. Okay, customer dim underscore case was the default. So I came here to look at the same table. Oh, how bad. Somehow the MySQL bench has encountered a problem. That is the reason it would have thrown an error even. So technical issues. Let me see again. Go and start this, and I should be able to log in. So there was some failure on the database end, and so the job even failed. It was nothing on my part. Report bug. Okay, it's okay. So if I say report bug, it is asking me for email address. I'll have to fill up all that in email. Let me try one more time. Okay. So I think it should be understandable, guys. Due to some reason, MySQL bench is failing. But if we want it, okay, here is at least one window I have. So I was looking at customer dim case. This is the one record which is default. So it is perfectly been executed however I wanted to do it. But there was some failure in the validation transform, which I will take care of it before I send it the job to you. Before we close the session, any questions, or I'm going to send you this particular ATL file, and last minute I wanted to show you how you have to import this. After you set up your repositories, create your data stores. I'm not going to export data stores also, because if you make a small difference in your ODBC names, it is going to change. So I will not send you data stores. All you will have to do is go and import file. In tools, you have import from file. So whatever the file I am going to send you, it is an ATL file. It will be like this. The extension is ATL. I will send it as demo class 1. You take that and say open, it gets it to your local repository. That's all you will have to do. Any questions before we move out, guys? This session was useful, helpful. Yeah, those are very important transformations. So I wanted to show you. Now there is a lot to practice on your plate. The 5 days, pick up one at a time and say, I wanted to work on validation, do it, case, history preserving, table comparison. Come back with a happy face saying we were able to execute all this. For the blueprinting, most probably by Wednesday I should be able to, even I will try to do quickly by tomorrow sometime, or Tuesday sometime. All the videos should be available online with a private and restricted access. You can use them as examples for yourself, and please do not circulate the videos, guys, because if you forward your email ID, anyone can go and watch it. But I wanted to purposefully restrict the public accessing this, because this is my core, this is my food, this is my interest, this is my passion. But I cannot just keep sharing to everyone all this blueprint whichever I'm building for yourself. So still keep it undercover, but make use of it as much as possible, and come back with a happy and healthy face saying we completed it successfully. And next class we will look at more transformations, and the next step I will take is data quality, which is also important. We are going to take the same tables and examples, we'll do the data quality, so that the first part is completed, and then we will go to the SAP, non-SAP, migration, rapid marts. Those are only theoretical that I'm going to show you, but the important part is here. The magic of ETL tool is here. Any questions, guys? Oh, changing case, uppercase, lowercase, it is a function. You can't call it as a transformation. It is just a simple function. You have the upper, so that is, you'll use just the upper of, then it becomes a function. It says this particular, yes, it is exactly the same case statement that you have in database. Exactly the same. There is no difference. You can put multiple conditions and it validates and then puts it there. You are right. Any other questions on today's session, guys? So the one important thing is, I'm very sorry about videos that I could not give you immediately. The reason is it is taking longer time, guys. All night I worked till 3 o'clock, and morning I woke up and immediately uploaded the videos, couple of them. But it is taking hell lot of time for YouTube for me to create a video and upload it there, because of the volume, I can say, because of the quality I'm using, I can say, and network speed, everything matters. So but nothing I can do about it. I will have to bear with it, and you guys have to understand that I have this technical difficulties. It is not that I am not working on it. Day and night I am working on the same thing, but still I face this issue. So pardon me on that. I will make it available as soon as possible. Any other questions, or I call off the session, guys? Guys in India, I know you don't have data services on your mission. Uh, Today night sometime or tomorrow, I will log on to your mission and install data services for you, and you can start using it. And for Hilal, go and monitor on your designer if you have this working, the job server. I am very happy. Else, I will. Perfect. Yeah, yesterday it asked me to restart, but I don't have an option to restart. Perfect, perfect. So anything else before we call off the session, or we are good to go? Okay, guys. If there are no questions, let me do a roll call before I end it, so that there won't be any blame on me. Ashok is not here. Chaudhary, do you have any questions? Feel free to ask me now. So no questions from Chaudhary. Hilal, you have any questions at this moment? No, if you really wanted to do it, I can call you in other 10 minutes. From my way to office to home, I will have 10-15 minutes, and I will be on wireless. Uh, sure. Why don't we do this tomorrow, 7:30 or 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock California times? Call me and I will be online and we can do it. Perfect. Krishna, do you have any questions at this point? Yeah, you have provided me access, so I should be able to log on sometime tonight, which is the daytime of India, and I will be able to do it for you. Yeah, 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 I got that. I will work on it and immediately send you back. And Sridevi, do you want the installation or you are able to do it yourself? I think Pula must be able to help you. Perfect. And Syed, any questions from your end? Sure, I will send the videos, but one important thing. Instead of waiting for my videos, why don't you look at that tutorial? Because I followed the tutorial except for the last 1.5 hours. See, and also one other important thing. Videos are something specific. I am doing it for my I mean special purpose that I wanted to be it as video based. But that should not be a showstopper for you, right? You have the material which I am using here, which is the tutorial of data services. They have step by step. Only thing is you will have to read through it. But it is not that I am going to skip giving you videos. But as I told you, there is a time crunch, man. To upload 8 hours of video, I require 16 hours of time. Okay, so please bear with me on that, and please make use of this tutorial which already I have sent you, and you can start working on the basic things. Okay, so I'm going to send you two jobs, the project demo, one with data stores and one without data stores. I will name it as it is, so make use of it. One of them should work for you. So I'm exporting it. The job is in good shape. It is working fine for me. So I export and send it to you. Okay, guys, you have the rest of your evening. Enjoy at least that much, and get back to me next week with the same energy. We will do better. I am in action and we will do better. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.